Hello everyone and welcome back to Algebra 1. Today we are yet again continuing with concept number 2. Today specifically learning how to recognize opposite factors. Okay? Concept number 2 has been based off of simplifying rational expressions. And we have gone over 2 other different ways. Today we're going over the third way to simplify it. Okay? But in all of them, we're pretty much doing the same thing. So I already wrote my example on the board. My example reads 4 minus x squared over 7x minus 14. As always, our first step is to factor out our numerator and our denominator. Let's start off with our numerator. So, I know when I factor my numerator, I can actually do one of these. Let me explain why I know I could do that. Because my middle number would cancel out. And although it's kind of in a different order that we would normally see a trinomial, it still can be written this way, where 2 times 2 equals 4, and x times negative x times x is going to give me negative x squared. Okay? And now let's factor out our denominator. Now, after factoring out our denominator, the biggest number I can factor out of 7x minus 14 is actually 7. So, going to be left with x minus 2. Now remember, in this specific example, we're learning how to recognize opposite factors. You see how this is 2 minus x and this is x minus 2? I wouldn't be able to cancel them out because they are backwards. And here I have a negative 2 and here I have a positive 2. Now, what can I do to change that? Good question myself. I factor out a negative 1. So, when factoring out my negative 1, that flips my equation to look like this. 2 plus x. So now I'm left with this. Now I can actually divide out the x minus 2. Okay? So, my answer, in the most simplified form of this, would be negative 2 plus x over 7. That is the simplified form of this rational expression. Let's move on into your assignment for today. Very well, for your assignment today, I want you to take this example and follow the same steps I took to factor out and simplify your rational expression. If you have any questions on anything, please don't hesitate and ask. I'm here to help. I hope to be hearing back from everyone very, very soon, and I hope you all have a very wonderful rest of your day. Goodbye.